Hey friends, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn between $100 to $300 using a trading bot. And by the way, any beginner can handle this. To do this, we go to the trading bot. Let's update the data. And here we have a list of currency pairs. We go to the broker where we trade. Here I'm selecting a currency pair with a very good percentage. We're looking for the same pair on the bot. It's better to trade for at least 5 minutes, but I'm going to choose 1 minute. And we see that bot recommends entering for a rise. Let's quickly jump in and see how a trade will close. And you can make a very large number of such trades in a day. And that's how you can earn from it. As you can see, the price has gone up. That's already a good sign. I definitely recommend everyone to trade for at least 5 minutes, because trading for 1 minute is very risky. But still, it works on 1 minute as well. All right, see that our trade has closed. Of course, not as well as usual with a big gap, but still, it's a profit. And we made a profit of $90, literally, in 1 minute. So, join my group, get the signals and this bot.